welcome back to the channel. It's me, Sarah, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Sarah. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I'm back with another recipe from the Gudetama official cookbook. Look at him, so cute. What are we making today? Oh my gosh, I am so glad you asked. We are making, bam, tuckered out Tamago Sando. Did I say that right? You know, I tried. A for effort, right? Look, so cute. Look at him. Little egg sandwich. So we are making the egg sandwich. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the Japanese convenience store, like 7-Eleven videos of people eating like the egg sandwiches there. I've always wanted to try it. It looks so good. I would try to look up how to make them. It would say that I would need Japanese milk bread. And luckily for me, there wasn't any of that like within my reach. So I had to opt into making it. And I had taken forever to try and make it until today. Until now, I actually just made some. Do they look good? Well, no, but they look good enough. So I do apologize. It's ugly. I'm still bad at making bread. I followed the instructions wrong, but it still came out as bread and it still tasted like it. So we'll take our wins. And I don't want to waste food, so it's good enough. It's fine. I ended up making some milk bread with these hands. So exciting. Exciting. Okay, so there isn't a lot to get, and it goes on to like 2 pages, which is, that's not lazy. It's actually not that bad, like considering like the size of the text, like the font and whatever. It's actually honestly not that bad. So we have our little thing up here, and then we have something down here. So let's go ahead and see what it says. Ever have one of those days where you feel so worn down that you just don't want to move? It's like your lethargy is all-consuming, sort of like a mashed up egg. Been there, it's rough. Channel the non-existent energy and make a Tamago Sando. Creamy eggs are combined with Japanese mayo, which is slightly sweeter than most spreads. Then it's all tucked between 2 slices of the fluffiest pillow-like milk bread, a staple of Asian bakeries. If you only have the energy to do a half-hearted job, go ahead and leave half a boiled egg in the center. No one's going to judge you. Your laziness is the ingredient that makes the sandwich that much tastier. Aww. Aww. Cute. And let's see what this says down here. Laziness can be all-consuming, and while cleaning isn't normally part of the lazy regimen, an organized kitchen space will save you time and effort in the long run. Start by setting up your utensils and ingredients before you start. By planning ahead, you're doing your future self a favor. Then clean throughout the cooking process. Think of it as saving yourself from a giant mess at the end, which we all know you'll be too tired to clean up. Real. Finally, give yourself a break. If you don't want to do the dishes, don't. A few plates and forks can wait. When everything's said and done, you can lean into your lack of commitment and be complacent in your triumph. Wow, okay. Aw. Up and down. I was going up and down there. That is actually something that I've realized as I've been doing this Scuffed Kitchen series, cleaning as I go. I've gotten a lot better about it as compared to like a year ago, so pat on the back. I've gotten pretty good about it. It has helped a lot because I get pretty stressed sometimes about doing some of these recipes, and it's just something that I don't know. It's just, yeah, that's solid advice. I don't know. Try it if you want. I don't know. I'm not your boss. I'm just really excited to try it because I mean it's not a lot, but it's the closest that I can get, considering I'm not like close to any like Asian convenience stores or anything like that. So yay. Okay, let's go get everything. Look, this is how the bread came out. I can't cut bread well, but I'm gonna use these. Look how thick I cut it. Oh, it's still like falling. I need to sweep. But look how thick I cut it and everything. They're not tall. They're wide because, you know, the next time I make it, it'll be better. But here it is. I'll be using these 2 pieces. It's not gonna be aesthetically pleasing, but it's still made with love. Here are all of the ingredients. Look at the bread, bro. Who made that? Me. I did. Meow. It shows 2 on the scale. Makes 1 serving. Look at it, you're so cute. I'm sure it'll go fine. I mean, cutting off, I am a little worried about whenever I cut off the crusts because like the bread is just not regular bread size. So, I guess we'll see how it goes. I'm feeling confident. I'm also just excited because I like egg sandwiches in general anyway. So, place the eggs into a pot covering with 1 to 2 inches of water. Turn on the heat to medium-high and bring to a boil. Turn off the heat, cover the lid, and let sit for 10 minutes. Place the eggs in an ice bath and let cool completely. Peel and slice the eggs in half. Set one of the halves aside for later, including the yolk. Place the rest of the yolks into a bowl along with the Japanese mayonnaise, sugar, and salt. Stir until smooth. Rough chop the cooked egg whites. Fold a 1/4 cup of the chopped egg whites into the yolk mixture, reserving the rest. Spread butter onto the bread slices. On one slice, place the egg half, yolk side down in the center. Spoon the mayo egg mixture over the half, spreading evenly over the bread. Place the second slice on top, pressing down slightly. Cut off the crust. I'm afraid to, because it's gonna like swish. Maybe I overdid it. Mayhaps. Oh my god, it's so good in there. Maybe I filled it too much. Cut on the diagonal to serve. Okay, so it's a mess, dude. That's okay. All right. Let's just clean it up a little bit. This is a mess. Oh my god. All right, let's cross-section this bad boy. Look at it. All right. I don't even remember where I put the egg, but let's just do it from... Oh my god, it's just all bad. Okay, let's just do it from the single. It's falling apart. Alright, are we ready for the reveal? I am. Looks so sad. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat it anyway, okay. Oh my god, it looks so sad. Oh golly gee, okay, this is fine. Everything is fine. It's ugly. That's okay. That's okay. They're both equally messy. Yeah, I didn't do good.
Is it rice patties or?
No, that's egg. It's just an egg.
Oh, it's all egg.
Egg, yeah. Egg and bread.
Okay.
You don't have to try it if you want to.
I just didn't expect it.
It didn't work out, I'll be honest. My bread broke. Do you like it?
That's what it is. You took off the crust.
Did you see the crust?
Yeah, I was like, that doesn't look like bread.
It's bread. The egg mixture, perfect, amazing. Whoever made this bread did such a bad job. It was me, I did it. But honestly, it came out pretty good. Didn't take very long to make it all. And well, it just is, it's pretty low effort. Peeling eggs was the worst part, quote unquote worst. Well, I don't know. Cutting the crust off was rough. But I mean, it worked out. I think the sweetness of the bread does complement the egg salad thingy pretty well, so 10/10 would recommend. That's pretty good. I started at like 2-ish. It's $2.59. Boom. Done. Easy. Low effort. Yeah. Yeah. That's the whole point of the cookbook, I think, probably. I don't know. But anyway, that's all I got for y'all today. Would you guys try making this? Have you guys had like the Japanese egg sandwiches before? I don't know what else to say. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it into the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! It's like your lethargy of all I don't think I said that word.